Hello, welcome to Pretty Plump and Trying. My name is Amanda. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're interested in beauty, plus size fashion, unboxings, and more, today I have my winter FabFitFun box. I figured I would show you what I chose, show you what they picked for me, and just give you some information. If you guys are not familiar with FabFitFun, it is a seasonal subscription box that comes to you 4 times a year. Retails for typically $49.99 is how much the box is, with I think well over $200 value. A lot of people do have codes, or you can easily get a code online to get that first box for cheaper. Or if you decide to go the annual route, there is a discount off that too. Now, if you are a seasonal member, you got to pick 3 items. If you are an annual member, which I am, I was able to pick 5, and they chose 3 for me. So, in the box, they did have this magazine. This is going to tell you information on the products that you could have chosen, as well as just cute little random things. It's cute, it's informative, and I'll definitely be looking to it today. It also had quite a few random things. In here, we got a kind little granola bar, which is cool. And yeah, but let's just get into it. So I will have this open so we can actually see the options, and I can give you guys some prices. Now, the first thing that I chose, and I knew I was going to choose it, this is from Untitled, and this is a Faux Fur Blanket. This is, let's see, 50 by 60, and it feels amazing. I'm really excited I picked this. I'm actually probably going to just keep it in here because this room happens to be one of the colder rooms. So I might just keep this in here, or I'm going to just keep this with me at all times. No, it feels amazing. So I'm really excited about this. This retails, let's see, this retails for $65. It's nice. I will let you know if I think it is $65 with a nice, maybe in a different video, but I'm still really excited. And hey, $49.99, this already paid for the box, so really cool. Let's see. The next thing I got is from Laura Geller, and this is the Cinnamon and Spice palette. This is the box, and let me show you what it looks like. I'm trying not to cough, I'm sorry. I thought it was a cute palette. You can definitely get a couple looks. Definitely a neutral palette, but it can also be a good one to go with other palettes. So I was excited about that one. Let's see. This palette retails for $45. The next thing I chose, which is right here, is the Vanity Mirror. Let's see. This retails for, if I can find it, this is Impressions Vanity & Company. This retails for $45. This is actually going to stay in this room, so when I do a get ready with me, I will have a nice mirror. The one I have is nice, but this one has lights around it, so I saw this and I'm like, let's do it, why not? I'm hoping it's going to be decent quality. I know that is one of the things that did pop up in a couple of videos I saw, was if this was going to be more of a cheaply made kind of product, so I'll definitely let you guys know how I like it. Let's see. The next thing I got, is it on this page? Nope. Okay. The next thing I got is from Mucklux, and they're these nice pair of kind of slipper socks. Really warm and comfy. A little furriness in the front and the inside. I'm sorry, you guys are gonna also question the hair. So I washed my hair, and it's a lazy Monday, and I just did not, for the life of me, feel like straightening it and doing all the steps to make it look presentable. So you guys get this lovely silvery blue wig, which I kind of thought matched the box a little bit, so, you know, sorry, but I like it, not bad. Now, let's see. I'm just like feeling these socks. These are really comfortable. I actually got a pair for my sister because I thought she would really like them. Little pom-poms too, so really cute. And just in case I didn't tell you, these socks retail for $25. let's see. The last option that I chose was from a pair, probably saying that horribly wrong, but these are cutting boards. It's a set of 4. They're BPA free, dishwasher safe, so really nice. And they have a little, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see, they have little food to go with what you're actually supposed to use it for. So I thought it was nice, and I can't go wrong with cutting boards because especially now I get to cook Thanksgiving dinner for the 2 of us. So yeah, this will be a nice little thing to be able to use because I want to, even though I can't be with, you know, your family or your friends, I still want to make us happy because, you know, he's my family. You know, we're stuck. He's stuck with me. But yeah, so it'll be nice to use these for different things because I'm gonna try to go out. I'm gonna, you know, do the little turkey and stuffing, some maybe au gratin potatoes, some, I don't know, but I'm gonna try to go out. It's gonna be a nice little thing, just the 2 of us and Duncan, who is our cat, so he might get a little some too. I don't know, but yeah, we're, you know, this is my little family, so we're trying to be safe and healthy. That's what we got to do. So I'm still happy. Now the cutting boards retail for $19.99, which definitely isn't bad. I'm sorry, I'm gonna get a little bit close to you, but yeah, definitely not bad for 4 cutting boards. They're flexible, so that might be nice when you're chopping something just to bend and pour. So I'm excited. So that is everything that I got to choose. Now FabFitFun did get to choose 3 items for me, which here's just a couple of the options they could have done. Let's show you what I got, what they chose. So the first thing they chose for me was a pair of scrunchies. These are, if I could find them, that'd be wonderful. From Noir, they're jewelry ombre leopard scrunchies. These retail for $25. I don't usually use scrunchies, so I'm thinking about giving these to my niece, my great niece, a family member. So she might be able to use them, and she'll definitely like them. So we're gonna go to a good home. The next thing they chose for me is from London Town, and this is a nail recovery, which is nice because I am trying to grow back my nails. I noticed that when I'm stressed out or when there's a lot on my mind, my nails break, which I don't know if that's just weird or not, but I noticed that, like, it's your body's just telling you, hey, like, you need to relax. And but yeah, my nails just break when I'm really stressed out, so they're coming back, but this might be really good to use, so happy about that. Let's see how much this is. This retails for $20. I'm hoping this works. I'm hoping it doesn't work because of the price. But yeah, hey, we'll see, and I'll definitely let you guys know. I do plan on starting this, you know. I think let's see what you have to do. Yeah, it says it's an intense treatment infused with a blend of powerful hydrators and strengtheners. Yeah, I'll definitely let you guys know. The final thing that they chose for me is from Wish. I believe that's how you say it. And it is a vanilla bean lip scrub. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it. The sun is just completely gone now. The weather's also been funky. Hopefully that didn't sound like the other word. Just in case. It's been weird. So my lighting and everything, but you guys are still getting the video. I was so excited to get this stuff, and I really want to open that blanket, so you guys are getting something. But yeah, that's the last thing they chose. Let's smell it, because I know I'll end up using this one. I do like vanilla bean. This scent's interesting. It's not bad, it's not great, but if it works, I'll take it. This exfoliates, moisturizes, and renews. Has vitamin E and avocado oil, and this is cruelty-free, which is amazing. So there it is. That is my winter FabFitFun box. I do have quite a few videos planned. I got my 2 mystery bags, which I will definitely be showing you guys in another video. My Ipsy just came. I have a box that I completely forgot about because it comes seasonally, but it also kind of comes when it wants to. But that is coming too. Just a quick reminder that you are amazing, brave, bold, kind. And if today is not a good day, that's okay. All we can do is try. I will see you guys next time. Be happy, be safe.